Welcome back to Technology in the Future. There's a new wave of excitement building in the world of action cameras, and it's all thanks to some intriguing developments around DJI's rumored entry into the 360-degree camera arena. For years, names like Insta360 and GoPro have dominated this space, but it looks like DJI might be ready to shake things up in a big way. When it comes to 360-degree video, Insta360 has been leading the charge, especially with their popular X4 and the more recent X5, which are packed with cutting-edge features. GoPro made an early attempt with the GoPro Max, but without a timely update, they've lagged behind. Their next-gen Max 2 has been delayed multiple times, creating a rare window of opportunity in a highly competitive market. That's where DJI comes in. Known for their impressive drones and solid action cameras like the Osmo Action 5 Pro, the brand may be preparing to make its mark on the 360-degree camera segment. The tech community is buzzing after recent leaks and reports suggest a powerful new device, possibly named the DJI Osmo 360, is in development. It all started with documents filed to the FCC, showing a mysterious panoramic device under DJI's Osmo division. The model name? OQ0001. This hint, first discovered by camera-focused media outlets, suggested that DJI might be testing a 360-degree solution behind the scenes. As time passed, the rumors only intensified. By May 2025, speculation reached new heights. Popular tech leakers on social media began dropping teasers. One standout post from DJI insider Hakasushi, shared on May 3rd, showcased an AI-generated image depicting what the DJI 360 camera might look like. The render showed a sleek, minimal form with a large lens and a screen featuring a high-motion roller coaster, perfect for showcasing immersive content. While not an actual photo, it sparked massive interest and debate in the camera community. Hakasushi also made a bold statement: "The game is on." That phrase lit up the online forums, setting the stage for a potential face-off between DJI and industry leaders like Insta360 and GoPro. Soon after, another tech outlet, Quadro News, published what they claimed were internal teardown images of the upcoming DJI device. These alleged teardown shots showed off some exciting details: a dual lens setup, advanced stabilization modules, and something that really caught people's attention: what looked like a 1-inch sensor. If accurate, this would be a massive step forward. To put things in perspective, Insta360's X4 and X5 use smaller half-inch sensors, and low-light performance has always been a challenge in 360-degree filming. A larger sensor could dramatically improve quality, especially in evening or indoor environments. DJI already has a strong track record with stabilization and low-light features. Just look at their Osmo Action lineup. So, if the Osmo 360 follows suit, it could offer buttery smooth footage and great performance in dark conditions. That alone would make it a serious contender in this space. The internal images also revealed what appears to be DJI's signature gyroscopic module, compact yet powerful. This system has already proven itself in drones and handheld stabilizers, and its potential application in a 360-degree camera could set a new benchmark. During the height of speculation, Hakasushi posed an interesting question to his followers. What is the one area where DJI should outperform Insta360? Unsurprisingly, the overwhelming answer was stabilization. DJI has built a reputation on creating smooth, cinematic footage, and fans are hoping the company will deliver an unmatched experience in this department. Another hot topic in recent discussions was the camera lens. Analysts noticed that the Osmo 360's lens, at least from the leaks, seemed larger than that of the Insta360 X4. This suggests support for a bigger sensor, possibly enabling better image capture in a wider variety of lighting situations. Reports from TechRar back in March 2025 supported this theory, pointing out the visibly larger lens diameter compared to competing models. If this is accurate, DJI may be positioning its new camera as the go-to choice for prosumers and content creators seeking more dynamic range and image clarity. All signs are pointing to DJI making a major move in the camera market. The delay of GoPro's Max 2 and the steady dominance of Insta360 have created a unique moment. If DJI times its launch right and delivers on the promise of powerful features, it could take a significant share of the market. And it's not just this camera making headlines. Rumors of the Mavic 4 Pro also surfaced around the same time, indicating that DJI might be planning a big reveal event sometime this year. The coordination of leaks hints at a broader product strategy where DJI looks to strengthen its hold across multiple categories. If the Osmo 360 ends up combining a larger sensor, state-of-the-art stabilization, and DJI's typical robust design, it could be the breakthrough product of the year. It may not only rival Insta360's top-tier offerings, but also make GoPro's long-delayed Max successor feel like an afterthought. As Hakasushi said, this might be DJI's moment to redefine what's possible in 360-degree video capture. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just a fan of immersive tech, the coming months are going to be incredibly exciting. What do you think? Will DJI finally break Insta360's grip on the market? Will GoPro ever catch up? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to Technology in the Future so you never miss the latest in groundbreaking tech leaks and upcoming innovations. Big things are coming, and we'll be here to cover them all.